Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey people, today let's do some fun glitter nail art. Very simple and very amazingly glittery. You can see how good this looks on your nails. So let's get started without wasting any time. Need is a transparent nail polish. Take some glitter. You can choose your favorite color. Here I'm using a blue color, and this is a normal glitter used for crafts. Now take your transparent nail paint and apply it over your nails. Before it dries, dip your nail into the glitter. Make sure it covers your entire nail. Tap your finger to remove the excess glitter. Repeat the process to all your nails. Just put some nail paint and dip it in glitter. Now using a paintbrush, clean up all the glitter over your hand. And this is how it looks. Now to make this glitter transfer proof, apply a coat of transparent nail polish all over it. And that's it, you're done. I told you guys it hardly takes any time and you didn't have to spend much on your nails to make them look so pretty and glittery. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of DIY videos regarding crafts, jewelry and sometimes even food related videos. So that's it guys, meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting, take care and bye bye.